$3, $700 a year is disappearing from your business account through a card you thought had zero foreign fees. Here's the trap. Your business card says zero foreign transaction fees. The bank is still taking 1-2% on every international payment, and it's hidden inside the exchange rate itself. Most small business owners don't realize this until they've already locked in 3-5 years of recurring losses. By then, the cumulative drag is already in the thousands. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, what it costs, and which payment methods actually disclose the real rate. By the end of this video, you'll understand the exact difference between advertised no FX fees and actual exchange rate spreads. And you'll see the calculation that reveals how much your $50,000 annual international spend is really costing. Let's start with the lie everyone believes, that no foreign transaction fees means you're getting a true interbank rate with no hidden markup. This is wrong. Here's the reality. Visa and Mastercard don't charge a separate FX transaction fee on premium business cards. That's true. But they apply a 1-2% markup to the interbank mid-market rate as part of their FX spread. This spread is the difference between what the bank pays for the currency and what they charge you. It's disclosed in the terms and conditions, buried in fine print on page 6 under currency conversion pricing. But it's never advertised. Let me show you the math. The interbank mid-market rate, the true global exchange rate, is published real-time by the Federal Reserve. Today, your to USD is approximately 1.0920. That's what banks pay wholesale. But when you use your Visa or Mastercard business card, you don't get 1.0920. You get 1.0920 minus a spread. That spread is typically 1-2% depending on the card issuer. So you're actually getting approximately 1.0704 to 1.0826. The difference on a Euros 10,000 payment, that's Euros 91 to Euros 218 you're losing. In dollars, that's $100 to $240 on a single transaction. Now scale this. If you're conducting $50,000 in annual international transactions, international contractor payments, vendor invoices, payroll, a 1.5% hidden FX spread costs you $750 per year, not a one-time fee, every single year. Compounded over 5 years at typical business growth with reinvestment opportunity cost, the cumulative loss exceeds $4,000 to $5,000. This is the delta, the gap between the no fees marketing and the actual cost. You're systematically bleeding profit margin on recurring business expenses without realizing there's an alternative. Here's where it gets worse. Major card networks don't even disclose the exact spread they're charging. It's listed as subject to network pricing with no specific percentage. You won't know your true cost until you compare the receipt rate against the mid-market rate yourself. So what's the alternative? This is where transparent FX providers change the game. Wise, for example, publishes their exact spread, typically 0, 2% to 0, 5% on business transfers. OFX and Revolut do the same. These services are built on the premise that FX should be transparent, not hidden. For $50,000 annual international spend, switching from a Visa/Mastercard 1.5% spread to a transparent provider at 0.3% spread saves you $600 a year. Over 5 years, that's $3,000 to $4,000 recovered, directly back into your business cash flow. One more critical detail. Depending on your business structure and tax jurisdiction, FX losses on business transactions may be deductible under Schedule C as a business expense. But you can only claim what you track. Most business owners don't track FX spread costs because they're invisible in the statement. If you switch to a transparent provider and start logging the differential, you've got a paper trail for tax purposes. The takeaway, no foreign transaction fees is marketing language that masks the real cost. The real cost lies in the exchange rate spread, 1-2% of every transaction, and it's invisible until you compare rates yourself. If you're evaluating business travel cards or international payment methods, check the small print for FX spread percentages. If they won't disclose it, that's a red flag. Your credit profile is your leverage. Protect it.